Good morning, friends. Today's topic is input and output devices. So, in the last video, we had studied about block diagram of a computer. Right? Let us start with the input devices. If you are watching my YouTube channel for the first time, do not forget to click on subscribe button and click on the bell button to notify the updates of the channel. If you like this video, at the end of this, click on like button. And if you feel it's interesting, share it with all your friends on social networking. What is input and input device? Input means what we give to computer. We call it as data. మనం కంప్యూటర్కి ఏదైతే ఇస్తామో దాన్ని ఇన్పుట్ అంటాం. अपन जो कंप्यूटर को देते हैं उसको इनपुट बोलते, उसको भी डाटा भी बोल सकते, దాన్నే डाटा అని కూడా చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. Input device. Input device is used to give input to the computer. कंप्यूटर की इनपुट इవ్వడానికి పనికొచ్చే डिवाइस ने इनपुट डिवाइस अंटाम. जिससे हम कंप्यूटर को इनपुट देते हैं उसे इनपुट डिवाइस बोल रहे. There are various input devices associated with the computer. చాలా వరకు ఇన్పుట్ డివైజెస్ ఉన్నాయి, बहुत सारे इनपुट डिवाइसेस है. एग्जांपल कीबोर्ड, माउस एटसेट्रा. So there's a big detailed list is there, long list is there. Let us discuss one by one. Keyboard. So all time we see when computer we see keyboard is connected with the computer. Keyboard is a standard input device. The style of keyboard is called QWERTY. See here, first line Q W E R T Y. Based on these 6 letters, the style we have been calling as QWERTY. Q W E R T Y. The keyboard keys are classified into function keys. And the first row of the keyboard we find F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, so on up to F12. Okay, so these 12 keys are being called as function keys, which have special purpose associated with each and every key. Alphanumeric keys, here we can see 1 2 3 so on up to 0, and the letters are Q W E R T Y U I O P A S D F G H J K L Z X C V B N M. So this combination has been called as alphanumeric keys. There is something called arrow keys in the downwards. Left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, down arrow. 4 arrow keys are been there. In the keyboard there are 3 keys are been called as alternative keys. One is called control, one is called alt, one is called shift. Control, alt, shift are the 3 keys which are been called as alternative keys, whose performance is associated with some other key. If you press individually control key, nothing will happen. If you press shift key individually, nothing will happen. Control plus A is a select all, like we know. Control C copy, control V paste, we know. So apart from this, some special keys are been there on the keyboard. Like here I have tab, space key, caps lock key, space button, right, enter button, backspace, insert, home, page up, page down, end, delete, nums lock, pause, scroll lock. There are a lot of keys are there, and 2 very important keys are, one is called enter button, space button, and escape button, which are most frequently used keys on the keyboard. Right. Let us discuss mouse. Mouse is a pointing device which has left button, right button, as well as scroller key. Right. So when you perform with the left button an action, left click, something will be happened. Single click also possible by the mouse left button. Double click possible, triple click possible, quadruple click possible. Okay. So there is some action associated with right button. So So right button is been application specific, where you are been clicking, that is important. Mouse, earlier days there is a ball mouse, as well as today's technology we have been using this kind of optical mouse. This is the bottom of the mouse, which will have a camera which take thousands of pixels in terms of minutes. On base of this optical base of this mouse, optical light illusion, the mouse pointer moves on the surface of the screen. If you lift this mouse and place on air, means not on the surface, and just move it on the air, your cursor won't move. Okay, so always optical mouse to be on the surface, then only it will works. The scroller key used to scroll up, scroll down, scroll up and scroll down. Number of lines to be up, number of lines to be down. So there is one more input device with us called mic. Use it to give audio input, like I am speaking, right? I am recording my voice. So this is useful for recording audio, instrumental or vocal. There is one more input device called scanner. Whatever the printed certificates, printed images, hard copy of data is there with you, when you want to store, when you want to share, when you want to send to someone else, then you need to scan them. Then you need a scanner. Okay. So today we have been using mobile camera, but original standard scanning devices, scanner, we call it as flatbed scanner also. So if we scan the document, we can be able to store it into the machine. Joystick controller. It is associated with the games, computer games. When they want to play, there are some buttons called up button, down button. Some buttons are been there. There is a, this is a, we had been seen in our childhood also. This is a game pad, we call it as. So it is a, like a gear which have some options, right? So we can move this rightwards, leftwards, jump buttons, etc. Shooting buttons. So to play the games, we need a joystick controller, touchpad. Laptop, we have the touchpads, replacement of trackball and mouse in terms of laptops. So laptop doesn't have mouse, there we will be having some surface called like this. On this surface, wherever you have been moving your finger, ultimately like I am moving, my pointing, so automatically pointer moves there. Here is a left button, here is a right button. Some of the touchpads also comes with the scrolling at the right side corner. So touchpad is replacement for mouse. Touch screen, today we are all aware of the touch screen. ATM machine is the best example for the touch screen. Today we are using smartphones. All the smartphones are also touch screen based. Laptops, tablets, notebooks, all are coming up with the touch screen technology. Trackball, as I mentioned earlier, before advent of touchpad in terms of laptop, trackballs were being common portable devices. So this is also having a ball, buttons left, right, up, down buttons are been there. So these buttons are being used in early days before touchpad came into existence. One more input device called light pen, right? Whenever we want to draw, whenever we want to write onto the screen, like it shows into the pictures, or whenever we want to read the data, also we can use light pen, right? We can draw the pictures, we can write the text onto the screen lively like a board. How we write on the board, simply in the same way we can write using light pen. There is some software associated with it, or else we want to read the data, we will use also light pen to read already existing data. There is something called web camera, right? In terms of laptop, we will find normally web cameras over here, right? Or else we can connect a special camera to the desktop computers. Sorry, like this is a desktop camera, we can be able to connect onto this, right? There is a barcode reader. Today, wherever we go to the supermarkets, We will find the barcode reader, which is used for billing of the products easily. Automatically it will scan the barcode. This vertical lines code is called barcode. This kind of code is called as QR code. This is automated scanning machine, right? This is to be handled by user or by taking into hands, which is fixed on the table. Directly you need to scan it. Right, OMR sheets we had seen in our 10th class SSC intermediate. When we write some specific entrance exams, so we will be provided with OMR sheets where we need to bubble the circles. So once we had submitted these sheets are being evaluated by specific machines called OMR reading machines. Original answers will be given to this for all the questions. This will scans your OMR and it will generates your marks automatically onto the system. Means whatever hall ticket is been there, hall ticket number it will enters and details will be enters. How many questions you have been corrected right, in which section you have been corrected right, also been associated with OMR. Then automatically data will be stored into the computer. OCR, one of the devices used to read pre-printed text. When we go to airport, we can see our passports will be scanned. Whatever the data which has been printed in passport, that will be scanned by the authorities. There is a OCR device is also, small device is also there, which is also used to read the text handled by line. MICR, micro instruction code reader. MICR stands for micro instruction code reader, which is used to read micro instruction which is printed on check leaves. See here you can see what is a check is been there, sample check, right? Check number is there, MICR code which is special printedly, then some other options of the check are been there. To read this information, there is some device called MICR will be used. Today we are being well aware of thumb impression devices. So wherever we go, biometric authentication is been there. Thumb impression readers are been there. Right? Aadhaar card enrollment is the best example for us. Palm reader, to read entire palm, there is a palm reading machines. Advanced technological device. Iris reader, it is also been seen in Aadhaar enrollment when they want to capture our iris, iRetina scanner, right? iRetina information scanning device. Other devices are been there like ATM swiping machine is also there, which can read magnetic tape data. It can read chip based data. CT scanner, digital X-ray machine, face recognition device. This is find in Xerox shops to scan multiple papers all at a time. If you put in this tray, those papers will be taken automatically. This is also one of the input device. So in the next video, we are going to see about output devices. Till that, enjoy this video, share this video, like this video. And most important question is what you liked in this video. Please notify me in the comments. Thank you.